Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge audio files in Audacity. It's really simple and easy. It's really convenient to be able to merge audio in Audacity. So to get started, open up Audacity and go to the top left and press File, go down and go for Import and press Audio. Now locate your audio, select one and you can hold Control and select others. With them selected, press Open. Here they are. You can scroll up and down and go and see the different tracks. If you want to go and change the order of this, you can click on hold on one and go and drag it. Next, go to the top and you can press select and press all. What you can do is go and press tracks, hover over align tracks. You could do align end to end and then go and play one after another if that's what you want, and make sure you have them all selected again and press tracks at the top, hover over mix and you can press mix and render, and then it will go and put them into one track. Now you can start editing it by clicking and holding, pressing delete or making trims, whatever you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to merge audio files in Audacity. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.